Light schedule setup. In this video we are going to show you how to set up a schedule for your LED lights using the INTAQO controller. We will start on the dashboard in the app, which looks the same whether you are using the iPhone or an Android phone. On the dashboard we have several control panels. We will be working with this one, light schedule, in this video. First, a couple of words about the control panel itself. In the left part, you can see the current intensity with which the lamps are shining at this moment. INTAQO can operate two independent channels, that means two independent lamps. In the right side of the control panel, you can see the charts representing the intensity of the lights in time. You can see that at this moment, the now indicator is in the middle. This means that I see the data from the last 4 hours and I also see the scheduled intensity for the next 4 hours. This will be the case only when you are connected in the same Wi-Fi network as the device, when the application communicates directly with the device and is able to access the current scheduler data. When you will be using the application in the mobile network, you will only see the log data for the past 8 hours, just like for the temperature and the pH values. So, let's have a look at setting the schedule. We need to click the control panel to access the setting for light channels. By swiping the screen, you choose which channel you want to work with. Down here are buttons, which are used to temporarily override the schedule. We will give them a closer look in another video. I will choose to work with the channel 0 and click the chart to modify the scheduler. What I see are the schedules defined for each day in the week. It is possible to set up them individually. We will also show you how to quickly set up the same schedule for each day of the week. Now let's choose Monday for defining the schedule. Setting the schedule is pretty simple. There is an intensity point for each hour of the day. We define the percentage of light intensity with which we want to illuminate the tank at that hour. The system will automatically calculate the value for every minute between them, so we can have a nice easy ramp up. Let's say I want to start the light at 5 a.m., slowly, so at 6 a.m. I would have just 20% intensity and then at 7 a.m. I would have full lights on. These sliders are sometimes not exact enough. That really depends on the individual phone you are using. For this reason, you can define the exact value by tapping the number here and then typing the desired value. In this way, we define the required intensity of light for all hours of the day. In the evening, we can leave the light on with a low intensity until late, so it creates a nice ambient light in the living room. The CO2 will automatically turn off at low intensity, as we will show in video explaining the CO2 setup. I hit the next button and the schedule for Monday is defined. Now let's say I wanted to copy this Monday schedule to the rest of the days. I tap and hold Monday, until I see these selection buttons on the right. I tap Monday first, as this will be the source for the scheduled data to be copied. Then I tap each of the days, where I want to copy this schedule to. I click the confirmation sign here, and I am able to do some adjustments, or just click next to confirm. Now I have set up the schedule for the whole week and I can return back to the dashboard.